everybody, how are you today? Muraho mwese? Amakuru yanyu? I hope you're fine. Nizere ko meze neza. Are you okay? I hope so. Mumeze neza se? Ndabyizeye. Are you happy? Murishimye? I hope so. Ndabyizeye. This is Jean-Didier Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Murakumwe n'umwarimu Uwingabiye Jean-Didier uvugira mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Welcome to our English lessons. Tubahaye ikaze mu masomo yacu y'Icyongereza. Today we're going to look at together English conversations. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba hamwe ibiganiro by'Icyongereza. I'm gonna pretend to be the first person and the second person. Ndaza kwigira umuntu wa mbere n'uwa kabiri uko ndi hano muri studio njyenyine. Nukurikira bino biganiro uzamenya kuvuga mu gihe kitarenze ukwezi. If you follow this conversation, you're gonna become fluent within a month. Hello, muraho. Hi, muraho. How are you? Amakuru. I'm good. How are you? Ni meza. Amakuru. Good. Do you speak English? Ni meza. Uvuga Icyongereza? A little. Are you American? Gice. Uri Umunyamerika? Yes. Yego. Where are you from? Uri wo mu kahe gace? I'm from California. Ndi wo muri California. Nice to meet you. Nishimiye kukumenya. Nice to meet you too. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Do you speak English? Ese uvuga Icyongereza? Excuse me, are you American? Mbabarira nkubaze. Uri Umunyamerika? Yes. Yego. Do you speak English? Uvuga Icyongereza se? A little, but not very well. Gahoro, ariko ntabwo ari neza cyane. How long have you been here? Inaha uhamaze igihe kingana gute? How long have you been here? 5 months. Amezi 5. What do you do for a living? Ukora kahe kazi mu buzima bwawe? I'm a teacher. How about you? Ndi umwarimu. Wowe se? I'm a student. Ndi umunyeshuri. What's your name? Witwa nde? Excuse me, what's your name? Mbabarira nkubaze. Witwa nde? John. What's yours? Yohani. Wowe si ryawe? Betty. Betty. Do you know what time it is? Waba uzi isaha turi gihe ki? Do you know what time it is? Sure, it's 5:30 p.m. Yego, ni saa 11 z'umugoroba. What did you say? Uvuze ngo iki? I said it's 5:30 p.m. Nari mvuze ngo ni saa 11 z'umugoroba. Thanks. Urakoze. You're welcome. Nawe urakoze.